What if I told you the dips don't matter? What if I told you Cardano isn't crashing, it's charging? Every time ADA flirts with a breakout above $1, it pulls back. Retail panics. The noise gets louder. But zoom out, and the signal is screaming. Something massive could be coming in Q4 and Q1. Today, I'm going to show you what most people are missing. This video is not just about short-term volatility. It's about the macro setup, the big money movements, and the hidden patterns that might just explode in front of us. 2 weeks ago, ADA was sitting at 86 cents. The hype was building. But I warned you, it might be a fake out. I said we could see a dip into the 70s. And what happened? Here we are. Cardano pulled back exactly as expected. I've been doing this for almost 8 years. This kind of price action? Completely normal. Especially during a cycle like this, where altcoins are lagging but accumulation is accelerating. And I'll tell you right now, this lag is not weakness. It's positioning. It's big players setting up for what could be the most powerful move of this cycle. You don't want to be on the wrong side of this. On the weekly chart, ADA is telling a bigger story. The risk score from our proprietary model? Sitting at 37. That's almost identical to where it was before previous parabolic moves. It's a number that screams, pre-bull market conditions. We're entering the seasonal sweet spot. Q4 and Q1 have historically been the most explosive for Cardano. Go look at 2018, 2019, 2020, and 2021. Time and time again, those quarters delivered. And this isn't just technical. The fundamentals are shifting too. Pro-crypto legislation gaining momentum. SEC officially ruling liquid staking is not a security. Cardano's midnight token launch lined up perfectly for Q4. You think they planned that into a bear market? I don't think so. This is coordinated. This is strategic. Zooming into the daily chart, ADA just bounced off the 50-day moving average, a key technical level. Right now, we're hovering around 72 cents. But I'm watching closely. The 67 to 60 cent range is where the real decision will be made. And if we break below that, we could retest support in the 50s. That's not bearish. That's a potential final shakeout before liftoff. Two patterns are in play. A descending triangle, already broken and now backtesting the apex. A potential inverse head and shoulders still forming. If we get the right shoulder bounce and ADA breaks above $1, that could be the moment we've waited years for. The technical target? $1.80 plus. Could it be the beginning of the next leg of the cycle? If it is, you'll remember this setup. People keep saying, it's been too long. The cycle should have started. Here's the truth. We are nearly 1,400 days from ADA's last all-time high. That's further than last cycle. But cycles don't follow a calendar. They follow liquidity. They follow policy. And what's happening right now? QT is slowing down. QE is on the horizon. Institutional sentiment is turning. The IOG team launching midnight right now is no coincidence. They know the data. They know the timing. And they're acting on it. If you're a macro investor, now is not the time to panic. It's the time to prepare. My personal strategy? I'm watching the 20-day and 50-day moving averages. I'm tracking RSI and MACD closely for reversal signs. I'm setting alerts on my risk intelligence system and prepping my exit plan. Because when the risk score starts climbing from 37 to 50, then 70, then 90, I want to be ready. I want to execute without emotion. I've made mistakes last cycle. I'm not doing that again. And neither should you. So, is Cardano crashing? Or is it coiling? That answer depends on your time frame and your strategy. But if history, data, and fundamentals mean anything, ADA is loading. And Q4 might be the trigger. Subscribe if you want to follow this journey in real time. Like this video to push it to more Cardano holders who need to hear this right now. Disclaimer, read clearly. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing in this video should be taken as financial or investment advice. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed professional before making any financial decisions.